Top 8. Best survival gear and tools. And rescue teams on thousands of missions every year, attempting to give aid to lost hikers. Number 8. Eyeskey Multifunctional Tactical Compass, in your survival pack. If you ever find yourself lost in the wilderness, knowing which direction you are going could save your life. This multifunctional military aluminum alloy compass by Eyeskey delivers a professional-grade survival tool for everyday situations. Whether you are camping, military-grade, aluminum alloy body, floating dial. Number 7. J5 Tactical V1 Pro Flashlight. Light by J5 Tactical is an excellent choice for a durable light source. This tactical flashlight is stadium bright. It can flood an entire room or light up a point 600 feet away. The light is 10 times brighter than an incandescent light because it is an LED. 3 different light modes. Extremely durable. A refund or exchange. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best survival gear and tools or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 6. SharpSurvival Emergency Shelter Tent. Be planned to be a night out under the stars. Many people enjoy going for day hikes. However, you should always be prepared to spend the night out no matter your excursion plans. Things don't always go according to plan and a day hike could turn into an overnight emergency situation. Mylar thermal material. Easy setup. Reusable. Number 5. EMDMAK Outdoor Emergency Tools, and it can be overwhelming choosing and packing all your survival items. If you are looking for a survival pack that includes a variety of life-saving tools, this Survival Kit Outdoor Emergency Gear by EMDMAK can help save your life in a bad situation. Compact design. Water-resistant and shock-proof. Perfect for a variety of outdoor excursions. Number 4. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. You need to ensure that you always have a source and access to clean drinking water. The LifeStraw Personal Water Filter by LifeStraw is the ultimate survival gear necessity. The straw will give you access to clean water. Filter 99.99% of bacteria and microplastics. Filters 1,000 gallons per LifeStraw. Compact design. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best survival gear and tools or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 3. Garmin inReach Explorer. This design by Garmin is an excellent choice. The inReach Explorer Plus GPS navigation by Garmin features 100% global Iridium satellite, which allows for two-way conversation between devices. With a satellite subscription service. Waterproof. Preloaded topo maps. Share your location with family and friends. Number 2. goTenna Mesh. Into the great outdoors, these GPS devices can track your location and have you talking with friends while on your adventure. goTenna has designed a device that connects with your phone, and tracks your location and allows you to follow your messages. A great feature about goTenna's devices. Personal messaging. Android and iOS compatible. 4-mile radius. Number 1. Surviveware Small First Aid Kit. Is a first aid kit. First aid kits can save lives in the wilderness and are a great item to add to your pack. This small first aid kit by Surviveware comes in a compact, portable, and durable bag that can be easily taken on any outdoor adventure. Surviveware comes in a compact, portable and durable bag. Comes in a 600D polyester bag. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindley.com. Search best survival gear and tools or simply click below the video description link. Fish Findley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.